In this video, I show you how to hide likes on an Instagram post. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. Now please do watch this video right until the end, as I'm showing you two ways of doing this. How to hide likes on your own post for other people, but also how to hide likes on other people's posts for yourself. Don't worry, I explain the whole thing in this video, so let's go and jump into this. I'm now on Instagram, as you can see on my phone, but don't worry, this guide is going to work regardless of what type of phone you have, whether that be Android, iPhone, or even a tablet, it's still going to work as long as you've got the Instagram app. And just another quick note, I'm showing you how to hide likes on your own posts and also how to hide likes on other people's posts as well. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to hide likes on your own posts from other people. To do that, all you want to do is simply go and click in the bottom right where you get your profile picture, and it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you want to do is go and select a post whether you'd like to go and hide the likes from. Go and click on that post. As you can see, this one has got 1 like. So to go and hide the likes, all you want to do is go and click on those 3 dots in the top right just here next to your username. And then we've got this option here saying hide like count. So go and click there, and if I then go and refresh it, it's then going to go and just have view likes. And when you click on it, only you can see the total number of likes on this post. But if you want to go and hide the likes of other people's posts for yourself, once again go and click on your profile, then go and click on the 3 bars and go and click on settings. Then once you're in settings, come and click on privacy, and then you want to go and click on posts under interactions, and boom, as you can see at the top we've got hide like and view counts. So go and switch that on, and it says you won't see the total number of likes and views on posts from other accounts. If you found this video useful, please go down below, leave a comment, subscribe for more, peace.